Lesson 93, Tooltips for a Cell. In this lesson, we'll take a look at how to add instructions to a cell, sort of like a tooltip. We'll also take a look at cell comments and a cool trick to put a picture in a comment. Okay, so here we have a form that we want someone to fill out. You know that in the toolbar, if you hover over an item, you get to see a tooltip that appears that tells you how the item works. Well, we can set up the same thing in a cell. I have cell B11 chosen. I go to Data Validation. And I'm not going to change anything on the Settings or Error Alert tab, but I am going to ask for an input message to appear. Click OK. Now here's what happens. As the person selects that cell, instantly a tooltip appears with instructions of what to do. As you can imagine, this can make the spreadsheet much easier when you have context-sensitive help that appears for each individual cell. Now, another option, instead of validation, is to use a cell comment. We can have a cell and add a new comment and give the person instructions. Now when they hover above the cell, the comment appears, but if they move the mouse, the comment disappears. And it's possible, if they're using the keyboard, to get into the cell without ever having the comment appear. I'll point out that with comments, you can choose to edit the comment. Now right now, I can edit the text, but if I click on the diagonal lines, they change to dots, and I can use Control-1 to format the comment. I can change the color of the comment. I can change the font size, all sorts of things that I could do to this comment. And I could even ask for the comments to all be shown. So in theory, you could build help for every cell as a comment and show all comments. Well, while we're talking about comments, I want to talk about one amazing feature that you can do with comments. I'm going to insert a new comment and actually get rid of all of the text. I want to change those diagonal lines to dots, so I click on the diagonal lines and use Control-1 to format. In the fill color, I want to go to Fill Effects. And I'm not going to choose Gradient Texture Pattern, but I'll go back to Picture, select a picture, and choose my company logo. Click OK, click OK. Now at this point, I need to resize the comment so the logo doesn't appear squashed. All right. We've now added a pop-up picture to a cell. We simply hover over the cell and the picture appears. I have one client who sells to retail stores, and they've actually built their product catalog with the SKU in a cell, and you hover over the SKU and the product picture appears. A great use for Excel. Usually Excel is numbers, but they've built a beautiful full-color catalog using the pop-up picture concept by changing the fill for cell comments. Well, there you have it. I think adding tooltips to a cell is great, especially if you're building a worksheet for someone else to fill out. Worth the time to go through and add those context-sensitive help messages that will appear as they arrow into each cell. I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.